Ever wrestled with the heavy bins in your RV pass-through? Or tried to reach the stuff that's way in the middle? Today we're solving that back-busting problem with a MORryde cargo tray install on our Cougar 23 MLE. Stick around, you may never crawl into your storage bay again.
We love our Cougar 23 MLE, but that pass-through compartment is deep. The MORryde sliding tray makes it easy to access everything, from hoses and cords to camping chairs and even the mystery bin of spare parts.
First, measure the width and depth of your compartment. The MORryde tray comes in different sizes, so make sure yours will fit before ordering. Consider not just the width of the space, but the clearance around the hatches. Ours happens to be wider on one side than the other, so we had to go with the narrower slide. See the link in the description for MORryde's website.
Here's what you'll need: a drill, a screwdriver or impact driver with bits, and a measuring tape. Oh, and an extra pair of hands. These things are heavy. The good news is the MORryde cargo tray comes fully assembled. Another advantage to the MORryde cargo tray is the protective headgear it comes with. And when you got one of those low opening storage hatches, that's a lifesaver. This tray is heavy duty, so do lift carefully. Really do recommend 2 people for this one. Position it carefully, making sure the slide clears the door frame. The fine folks at MORryde are very generous with their hardware. Actually, they take all their hardware, they put it all in one bag, and they actually store it in one of the center runs of the packing here in the door unit. And so I took the liberty of separating it out, putting it in separate bags just to make install a little bit easier. I tend to get a little geeky about that kind of stuff sometimes. All the different hardware is based on what your particular installation is going to look like. For ours, all we really need are these little screws here, because we're just screwing the frame of the door unit down to the bed of our pass-through. And we're going to go take a look at that right now. Got my drill here. I'll drill little pilot holes just to kind of get things started so we don't move the thing around too much, and then we'll drive things home with our impact driver. Okay, here we go.
Drill pilot holes through the frame holes into the floor, then secure the tray with the provided screws. With MORryde's included hardware, you don't have to hunt for parts.
I feel like the little girl on the sofa commercial.
Yeah.
Remember from
back in the day? Castro convertible?
Castro convertible. I feel like the little girl.
Yeah. This thing reminds me of something too. Well, okay, we won't be doing any of that.
Speak for yourself. Anyway, that's it. A simple install that saves your back and keeps your gear accessible.
Well, if you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe, and share for more RV tips, tricks, and adventures.
Thanks for visiting RV Sometime, where our sometime is now.
Where our sometime